Welcome to Quantum Recovery. Ever wonder why some bounce back from grueling workouts faster than others? What are the secret biological mechanisms behind their speedy recovery? Today, we're diving into the science of recovery strategies to boost performance and prevent overtraining. With expertise from Dr. Andy Galpin, a pioneer in human bioenergetics and applied exercise science, featured on the Huberman podcast, we explore the real reasons behind muscle soreness. Remember, this content is educational. Always consult your healthcare provider for personal advice. Contrary to popular belief, muscle soreness isn't just from muscle tears. It involves neurological reactions within muscle spindles. Research, as discussed by Dr. Andy Galpin, shows that post-workout discomfort isn't solely due to muscle damage, but to complex physiological responses. Knowing about the neurological and physiological aspects of muscle recovery explains why the recovery strategies we discuss, from nutrition to technology, are effective in improving athletic performance and reducing the risk of injuries. Electrolyte balance is crucial for recovery, especially in fitness. Research, including studies by Shirefs et al., shows that managing sodium, magnesium, and potassium levels enhances mental and physical performance. This is vital for those on clean diets who might face deficiencies. Kepi Keto Electrolytes. Powder with no sugar or carbs and made in the USA, supports advanced hydration, performance, and recovery, making an excellent choice for maintaining optimal electrolyte balance. Strategic recovery planning is crucial for maximizing performance in athletic training. This involves both acute recovery, which occurs immediately after exercise, and long-term adaptation throughout a training cycle. The timing of recovery interventions is key, with strategies like post-exercise cool-downs, nutrition optimization, and scheduled rest days. This periodized approach to recovery is supported by evidence, indicating its effectiveness in enhancing both immediate and ongoing athletic performance. On your screen, you'll now see a detailed recovery program that embodies these principles. Feel free to take a screenshot of this plan for your reference and use it to guide your training recovery strategy. Explore our channel's recommendation on percussion massage therapy to enhance your recovery and boost overall wellness. Nutritional supplements and adaptogens, such as those found in products like athletic greens, support recovery from the physical stress of exercise. Additionally, practices like down-regulation breathing, which involves slow, controlled exhales to activate the body's relaxation response, facilitate the transition from exertion to relaxation, enhancing recovery through physiological shifts in the nervous system. Compression gear, particularly during travel, helps enhance blood circulation and reduce soreness. This method is supported by findings that highlight the benefits of compression in improving venous return and muscle recovery post-exercise. Regular heat and cold exposures, like sauna sessions and cold plunges, are proven to elicit beneficial adaptations. A study by Schoon et al. Confirms that regular sauna use can induce hermetic stress responses, vital for physiological adaptations and overall fitness enhancement. Managing carbohydrate intake is crucial for stress reduction and recovery. Choose unprocessed, over-refined carbs, as research shows diet helps manage stress and improve recovery. For best results, consume about 1 to 1.2 grams of carbohydrates per kilogram of body weight within 30 minutes after exercise. For example, eating a medium sweet potato, which has about 27 grams of natural carbs, post-workout aids better absorption and recovery. Personalizing recovery strategies based on individual needs using data from tools like heart rate variability monitors allows for tailored training adjustments and optimized recovery. This approach uses precise, individualized data to ensure effective recovery and peak performance. At Quantum Recovery, we're dedicated to unveiling the science behind effective recovery strategies. Today's exploration emphasizes the importance of a nuanced, scientifically informed approach to enhancing fitness and health. If this episode has sparked your interest, please subscribe to Quantum Recovery and visit our website, chatwithapt.com, for more insightful resources. Like and share this video to help others on their journey to smarter recovery. Thank you for tuning in and redefine your recovery with science.